Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to fix waiting for Wi-Fi when installing an app on the Android Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Look at the top right corner of the main interface layout and tap directly on your profile picture or initial icon. From the Account Options menu that appears on your display screen, tap explicitly on Settings. Inside the Settings panel layout, tap on the section labeled Network Preferences to expand its drop-down options. Look through the Preferences display list and tap directly on the option labeled App Download Preference. A pop-up menu layout will appear on your screen showing different network configuration rules for fetching app data. Tap the radio button next to Over Any Network to authorize the store to use cellular mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Tap the OK button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up window to instantly save and lock in your new download framework. The storefront engine will instantly drop the network restriction rule, allowing your stuck application downloads to bypass the Wi-Fi requirement and install immediately over your mobile data plan. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.